If you're looking to generate a QR code for an app download in Uniqode, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to easily create a QR code for your app using the Uniqode software. But stick around until the end. I'll also share some alternatives that might be better for your specific needs, especially if you're after the best user experience and extra perks. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Uniqode account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is pretty simple. Just head over to their website and follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll be in the dashboard. Next thing you'll want to do is find the QR code generator tool. It's usually located under the Tools or App section on the menu. You might see several options here, but for now, we're focusing on creating a QR code specifically for app downloads. After selecting the QR code generator, you'll be prompted to enter the URL for your app's download link. This could be your app's page on the App Store, Google Play, or wherever your app is available for download. Make sure you grab the right link, as this is what the QR code will direct users to when scanned. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is choose your design options. Uniqode allows you to customize the appearance of the QR code to some extent. You can adjust the colors, add a logo, or even pick a custom shape for the QR code. This is useful if you want it to blend in with your app's branding or just look more visually appealing for users. Once you've got the customization to your liking, it's time to generate the QR code. Hit that Generate button, and within seconds, Uniqode will provide you with a downloadable QR code image. You can now share this image in your marketing materials on your website or even print it for physical locations. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind, Unicode's QR code creator is straightforward, but it might not be the most advanced tool out there. If you're looking for more control over analytics, tracking, or deeper customization options, you might find other QR code generators to be more suitable. For example, some competitors like QR Code Generator and Bitly offer more extensive analytics and additional customization features. If you're running marketing campaigns or need more robust tracking, you might want to check them out. However, if simplicity is your goal, Uniqode is a solid choice for quick, no-fuss QR codes. That being said, I've got something extra for you. At the end of this video, I'll share a link to a software that not only provides an extended free trial, but also offers better alternatives for generating QR codes with advanced features. If you're serious about maximizing your QR code strategy, this tool will give you just what you need. So, to recap, Uniqode offers a solid, simple way to generate QR codes for app downloads, but if you need more features, there are great alternatives available. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, plus some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now.